Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Michigan Nike Dunk Lows. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this, so thank you. Now let's get into it. Today, we've got a look at the Nike Dunk Low Retro in the Varsity Midnight Navy colorway, AKA the Michigans. And we got this in the UK size 8, it's European 42.5, and it's a US men's size 9. Now, we have done the high version, so check that review out there, but I prefer these. The lows, so much better. Dunk lows have been on trend for the last couple of years, and it's only right that I was able to get myself a pair. Unfortunately, just a little preface before I try them on. These aren't my size. I'm UK size 7.5, but I'll let you know about the fit later on in this video, so stay tuned. But we'll get into the nitty gritty, the little specs of the sneaker. So we'll look at the outsole. This outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got the typical Nike Dunk traction patterning here, similar to an Air Jordan 1. But unlike an Air Jordan 1, there is no air unit found inside this midsole. So it's an all rubber midsole, it's all white. And as we look into the upper, we've got the famous University of Michigan colorways, that gold and navy, or yellow and navy. To me, it's yellow and navy. But this just reminds me of that famous Fab Five team in the early 90s, consisting of Jalen Rose and my favorite player, well, he's one of my favorite players, Chris Webber. They were an unstoppable team in the early 90s, and fortunately they didn't win the NCAA championship because of an error, timeout thing. But look into that. I'm not here to delve into basketball history, but if you have the time, look up who Chris Webber is. He's a great player, power forward, time in Sacramento. That was honestly one of the best NBA teams in the early 2000s. I could go on about NBA, but anyway, we're here to look at a sneaker. Now it's an all leather upper, painted again in that famous Michigan colorway. So you've got the navy here, look at the toe box, perforations, yellow toe box, navy mud guards here, it's all leather. Looking at the medial and the lateral side, so you've got swooshes on both sides in the navy. It's pretty uniform, like yellow navy, that's about it here. So nylon tongue, Nike branding, that's there. Looking at the back there, you've got the Nike branding stitched on, and it's all leather clip here on the heel there. In the inside, you've got a synthetic insole with the Nike swoosh branding on the inside, and it's in orange, which is a nice touch. It would be nice if it was in yellow, but there's a lot of yellow and navy here anyway. So for those that don't know, again, Nike have released a lot of dunks in loads of collegiate colorways. That is what the Nike Dunk was famous for. In the very beginning, they released as college basketball sneakers. I know there was a Georgetown one that recently came out, and this to me is the most famous colorway. It's one of the greatest colorways in Nike's history, actually. It would have been great if there was a SP version. I think there was, I'm not 100% sure, I don't think there was. But I'm happy I was able to get a pair. As I'm gonna show you guys in the next couple of minutes, these aren't my size, so you're gonna see me wear a bit of thicker socks just to make them fit, but we'll see what we can do with them. So roll that footage of me trying these Nike Dunk Lows on. comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. This being a UK size 8, there's a bit of space, so my toes aren't where they are, they're around here. I wish I was able to get a pair in my size, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm just gonna wear thick socks when I'm wearing these, but there's a bit of slippage at the heel. But these are really dope on. In my opinion, this is one of the best dunk colorways, barring SB colors, because boy, if I could have a lot of SB dunks, the color, I'm just going on a ramble here. This is, in my opinion, is one of the best dunk colorways of all time. I'm glad to get it, even though these aren't my size. So like I mentioned, wear thick socks if you don't have your size, or an insole. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Till next time, peace.